In this video, I'll be showing you how to avail or buy Cod Points on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. So first, I want you to log inside the game, and then after logging inside the game, you will see this battle interface where your character design would be in front. On top of your character are two battle currency indicator, which are the credits point and also the Cod Points. For this video, we are teaching you how to purchase Cod Points. Just click the plus button beside the Cod Point indicator. Then it will redirect you to all of the product that is available for purchase. Select a product, then click the buy button. Then it will redirect us to the Google Play Store or the payment method of your application. Now here, if you want to finalize your buying or confirm buying the product, just click the buy button and that's it. It will redirect you again to the Cod M or the application, and there you will now finally have the product or the Cod Points that you just availed. And that's how you can buy or purchase Cod Point or CP on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. And thank you for listening.